Hello everybody, George Gillis Jr. here, and I wanted to shoot this quick little video so that everybody out there that's following me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, there's some money making systems out there where I'm involved in quite a bit. I got this one program that I want to talk about specifically so that I may be able to share it with the entire affiliate marketing and network marketing groups and things out there. Everybody that loves want to make money from home. There are some simple programs that I have that simple and easy, and they're low cost to get in. What you have to do is that you have to sign up for one of these, take action, and be motivated. We give you everything you can do to make money from home. Now it's up to you whether you take it or not. But the one specific program that I'm talking about in this video is called Automatic Builder, and it's connected to a platform with Global NPN. And since I started building a business with this, I've been able to generate leads and people upgrading, people getting involved, taking action. We're helping them step by step with video training and different sources, giving them leads, giving them an opportunity to resources to find out what they need to do to make this business work. Now this automatic builder platform program with these high-tech converting funnels that allow you to gain instant access to $27, $47 payments over and over and over in your account. All you have to do is get it set up, drive traffic to your capture pages, which we have those capture pages that are motivating, those capture pages that make you want to put your name and email address in and get instant access to this system. You'll see. And the description below, there are some recommends that I have also in there. Work from home businesses, automated builders, different things like that. Now, I've been in the internet marketing space for over 5 years, and I'm learning what the gurus don't tell you. You have to find this out by yourself the hard way. If you don't have a mentor or a coach or enough money in your pocket to build a business, substantial $50,000 to $100,000 business, this is crazy. This like times is now, we're under the pandemic, and I've been at home for almost 2 years now from my job, and I took right back to the internet and computer to try to build a business from scratch. So I work day and night. I don't get much sleep because I'm up trying to grind, putting these capture pages and different things, money making opportunities, work from home businesses in front of as many people as I can see. Now, when I started the automatic builder program along with NPN Global, which is worldwide, it has a autoresponder. They walk you through step by step to set everything up, get people flowing to you, and all you have to do is set up the capture page after that, and then drive traffic to it, and then see if you can get anyone that's interested in making money from home. Now, this program is allowing me to do just that. It just takes time and effort. And the most motivating part about it is never quit. Never quit. That's the way you learn affiliate marketing and network marketing. You join, you put in what you go through the training, the step by step, have your mentors, talk with him, send him an email, anything you need to do. Get his contact information so that y'all can be one-on-one with each other. Most of them out there that's got these programs, they'll talk to you, they'll do whatever you need to do, they'll tell you what to do step by step, and you have to take action and do that. Now, what I'm doing is I'm doing a lot of it on my own because I'm really motivated for building a business. I'm building my own designs, capture pages, setting up my own autoresponders, putting a follow-up sequence in, and so that everybody get rich, pure, 100% content that I send out. I don't send out nothing fake. I don't always try to sell you everything. There's a lot of programs that I have that's in that description is free programs that allow you to make money from home. All you have to do is get involved and start taking action. Now, if you're interested in the automatic builder program, we have these capture pages already set up, done for you, ready to go. All you have to do is plug and play, and then you have to take action, drive some traffic, and you will see results. We have plenty of proof on the inside of the members area once you get in. So I'd like you to take a moment to think about where you want to be in a year or so. I don't want to be working the rest of my life. I want to be able to have financial freedom where I could sit in front of this computer and I could make money from home and do what I need to do. You know, have more time for my kids, have more time for my wife and the family and everything. It's been a down. Now I failed a lot. I didn't make any money at first, but now I'm able to see